Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download torrent files on your Android device. What you want to do is just go ahead and launch up your Google Play Store, search up uTorrent. Okay, this is a client to download different torrents. So this one right here, uTorrent, and as you can see, over 100 million plus downloads. Just install this one. So click here on install, and once it is done installing, you'll just go ahead and open it up. And first you find the torrent file or magnet link. I cannot exactly show you that process, but what you do, you search up your content, okay, click on the download link, and then once you start the download, your phone will actually prompt you, right? When you open it up and your installed torrent client app will actually open up because your phone will prompt you to that, and you just confirm that you want to start the download within the torrent app. Okay, so this is the process to go about that. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to App Mentor.